Hi students, so now I will solve this particular question. Now this question is actually very easy, but what happens is when students suddenly see a statement, they get terrified, like what is so difficult about it, why is it looking so difficult, it's terrible. And also I decided that we can take up this question so that it will be easier for you to break the question and then understand it and then solve it. It is nothing, it is a very simple question, but they have given us two conditions, okay, and we have to work on those two conditions. That's it, there is nothing extra here. So here the thing is that we have to solve this integration, which is something which we know that we can do it, which is very easy. But taking into account the fact that there are two conditions here, one is m not equal to n and the other is m equal to n. Okay, so these are the two conditions that we have to currently focus on. Now first we will focus on the condition when m is not equal to n. Okay, so first let's move forward with m not equal to n. So how will we do this? Simply, I'm sorry, here actually the question is sine mx and this is sine of nx. Okay, let me cut this out, this isn't the right way. Okay, so sine mx into sine nx integration dx. Okay, so this is the particular thing that we need to focus on right now. All right, so first let's do the thing that we are used to with doing, right? So that we can get the particular form of this. Again comes under a formula in trigonometry, 2 sine A sine B. Okay, this is the formula that we need here. All right, so what we will get here is 2 sine A sine B, 2 sine A sine B. It is nothing but cos of A minus B minus of cos of A plus B. We will just apply this particular form here. That's it. That's where it gets completed. Okay. So after just placing what we have to place here, we will get cos of mx minus nx minus cos of mx plus nx dx. All right, and then we will just, what we will do here is we will just take the x outside. All right, better. Okay, we will take the x outside, and then finally we will perform the integration and we will get nothing but sine of m minus n x divided by m minus n minus of sine m plus n x divided by m plus n plus c. So I hope you got this problem. There is nothing very critical about this problem except the fact that you have to apply this formula. That is something you have to do. Okay, you cannot really avoid it. And then finally, after this is for actually m not equal to n. Okay, this particular answer is valid for m not equal to n, right? Now what if m equal to n? What if m equal to n? If m is equal to n, then what will happen? We have sine of mx and sine of nx dx here, right? It's just this. Because m is equal to n, so if m is equal to n, then sine mx, as m is equal to n, so sine square mx or sine square nx, whatever you write, both are the same, alright? And then we know how to integrate this particular form, right? We have worked with this before. We will get 1 minus cos 2 mx divided by 2 dx, right? Why we will get this? Because I showed you in the last video that 1 minus cos 2 theta is equals to 2 sine square theta, right? So based upon that, we did get here, okay? After integration, what will you get? After integration, you will get half of x minus sine 2mx divided by 2m plus c. Alright. So this particular answer is actually valid when m is equal to n. But when m is not equal to n, then this is how you have to solve it. I hope this question is now clear to you, and also you could understand that this particular question is not at all hard. It is very easy. Just by writing a big statement, you might think that it's a very difficult and complicated question, which it actually isn't. Okay, I'll try to solve some more problems based on this so that you get more familiar with this pattern as well, and a bit of more practice problems. Then we will head over to the next set of formulas. Okay, so thank you so much. Let's move ahead.